Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be looking at the pros and cons of using Metricool. You see, if you're tired of social media, feeling like herding cats, then you can use Metricool. This is your new digital babysitter for Instagram, TikTok and more. But is it a time saver or just another app judging your posting habits? Let's break it down fast, because we know that time is money. Yeah, one of the pros is that it schedules your posts while you nap. Isn't that great? But the con is, optimal times to Metricool equals when your audience is asleep. Secondly, it helps track hashtags better than the FBI. But the con to this is that the analytics might reveal that nobody likes your memes. Next pro is it's cheaper than hiring an intern. And the con to that is that the free plan is something as saying, here is 10% of what you actually need. And lastly, it has a unified inbox, finally. But the con is that the auto replies sound like a robot wrote them. Maybe because it actually did. Finally, Metricool is a great app if you remember to use it. Now go post something before it judges you harder than your ex's new partner. Hope you found this video helpful.